Guys, here we have a Nokia X30 and today I will show you how you can scan your body temperature on this device by the app. So, in the first thing we have to download a scan body temperature app. I choose that one and just open it. Now click the skip. Remember to turn off the voices, this app is very loud. And click here for the scan. Now you can scan your body temperature. You have to remember that app will be not working properly if you don't have a temperature sensor on your phone. Now skip the ad and close it. Here you can see these are my results. Now you can save it. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.